Hi, in this video we're going to go over some of my pet peeves with the LinkedIn advertising platform. First, we're going to just start by looking at a campaign that I have set up for a client. We've run some display ads as well as some sponsored updates. I'll click here on sponsored updates. It's saying 0 here on my dashboard or my campaign overview. But when I click on sponsored updates, it'll actually show me that I have quite a few clicks, 15 clicks. So I'm here and I see, oh, well, I actually had 15 sponsored updates. That must be some bug that they have. You'll see that my 15 clicks, they were pretty pricey. They went at about $5, but we haven't run a lot of these ads, so there's probably a way to bring it down. And we are targeting a group of business owners and very important job titles. So I can understand why the cost was higher. I also am running some display ads. Just while I'm waiting for this to load, this is one of my biggest pet peeves, is that every time I click on something, I'm waiting 5 seconds for something to load. Sometimes it's quicker than that, but generally it's over 5 seconds, and I'm on a high-speed connection. I'm not having this trouble on other websites. It just seems to be LinkedIn. So I've been running this campaign here, and I have about 20 ads that I've written. And the cost per click was actually lower on the display ads. It's only $3.25, but I stopped getting clicks after my first week, and I didn't get an email or any sort of notification to tell me why. I mean, I'm guessing that my click-through rate is just so low, or my bids are so low that that's why they've stopped showing the ads. But generally, if you want to, get me to spend more money, they should give you some notification to say your ads aren't running because of this. So if I click show on a summary, who clicked your ads, nope, I don't even know what just happened here. I just got logged out, I think. And it says there's currently not enough to display this report. So somehow I managed to screw this up. I haven't actually seen this before, but it's just my point in that this isn't a very polished ad platform, and we seem to be running into a lot of inconsistency and a lot of issues, and basically things that are preventing us from spending more money on LinkedIn. Hopefully I can get this to load again. There we go. Okay, so I'm back here, and I'm back at my campaign screen. Now I am seeing the sponsored updates. So I'm going to create a new ad, create a new campaign. I'll just create an ad, set test, and I'll use our web page. Use a test headline, test description, and then you can duplicate this ad. That part isn't actually too bad. So I'll click next. Now I'm here and I go to my job title targeting, and one of the things that frustrates me about the job title targeting is that I can't actually paste in a list of job titles. I need to find them one by one, and if I'm just typing in a few random job titles here, if I type something that's not a name and I press enter, let me try this again. Let's target these to all of North America. I'll just do the word test and press enter. So now it's sent me, because I pressed enter, it sent me to the next screen, which wasn't what I wanted to do, and I just think that pressing enter is a very natural thing to do after you enter in something. And it's kind of annoying that they interpret enter on this screen as clicking the next button, because several times when I was adding in a list of job titles, I went to the next screen and had to come back and lost part of what I was doing. And it is good that you might not just want to paste in any job title. I mean, it is helping you find predefined LinkedIn job titles, but what's a shame is you can't then copy this campaign to a social update campaign. So you could copy a display campaign to another display campaign and use the same set of job titles, but you could not duplicate it to a social update campaign without re-entering your entire list of job titles or companies or whatever it is. So I think just in general, I'm frustrated with the lack of kind of polishness on this ad platform, but I do think that they know how to make money, and eventually they'll fix some of these issues, give you better reporting, and better everything all around. Thanks.